Hello everyone, and now in this particular video we will see how we can install the Docker in all this Windows system. Okay, so currently you can see I'm on this particular website, docker.com/in/install. You can come upon on this by typing as well. You can just search on the Google like Docker install, and you'll be on the same screen on which I am. Okay, so now in today's video, we'll be basically installing for the Windows. Okay, so here are some different options as well for different OS like Linux, Mac. You can install on those OS if you want. Otherwise, if you want to install for Windows, so you are on the right place. Okay. So what we can do for Windows, you have to just click on this Docker desktop for Windows. So here is some information which you will see, like system requirements and all those things, the web shell, about Windows containers, everything you will see on this particular page. And this one is a button which we will use to download the exe. So we'll get one exe file through which we will install the Docker. Okay. But before starting, you will need to first check the system requirement, like it is important for us to install Docker. So the first requirement you can see, it should be Windows 11 or Windows 10. It should be 64-bit, and the version you can check here, like it should be Home or Pro or Enterprise or Education. And it should be higher or 21H2 it should be, okay? So to check the version, you can just press Windows R, and you will need to just type WinVer, like Windows version, and here will come up on this dialog, and here you can see the version. In my case, it's 22H2, and it is Windows 11. Okay, so same you can check in your computer as well. And also, you can see here the enable WSL2 feature on Windows. Okay, so for this, what you can do, you're just to open the command line and just type the command WSL. If it is there, it will show. If it is not, you can just install it using WSL-install. Okay, so it will install WSL for you. So WSL is nothing but the Windows supported Linux. Okay, so it is required to install it. Okay. And the other like general, like 4 GB, 4 GB RAM should be there, 64-bit processor should be there, and also virtualization should be enabled. That is also one point. So how you can check for virtualization? Like it is required for, okay. So what you can do, you can just hit Control-Shift-Escape. Okay, it will open your task manager. You'll come up on this screen. You just click on the second one, performance, and then you have to go in the CPU. And here you will see virtualization is enabled. By default, it is enabled. But if in your case it's disabled, then you can enable it by going in BIOS setting. So you can follow some other tutorials for that as well. So for different PCs, there are some different keys like F8, F5, F4, something like that. You can check. So I hope it is clear, the system requirements and all. So now moving forward, you have to click on this Docker desktop for Windows. It will start this one installer. It will start downloading this install. Actually, I've already downloaded it. It's of some 600 MB. So now what you will do, you will just click on it. And you have to just hit yes. And it will take some time. Yeah, if you want to add to desktop, yeah, I want. Okay. So it will unpack some files. Okay. So just wait for them unpacking. Okay. After that, it will try to install. And after all those things, we will need to restart our PC as well. That is also one point. After that, it will installation will be successful. Okay. So I hope you are enjoying this series of our Docker. Like in our previous video, we have talked about the Dockerfile, image, and container. So I hope the all concepts are clear to you. If not, you can ask us in comment section as well. So just wait. Let's see till then. We just go through the what are the other things which we have here. For the WSL, we can check the documentation as well. So that you can see how we can install. So this is the command which we'll use to install the WSL. So here you can see the report can access the power of both Windows and Linux at the same time on a window machine. That's a WSL game, okay? The Windows subsystem for Linux, okay? So, sorry, so with that we can install many Linux distributions, and then we can install Ubuntu, Kali, Linux and all. Okay, let's check. Okay, so finally it's installing. Just wait. Yeah. So here it is saying you must log out of Windows to complete the installation, okay? So let's do this. Alright, so here you can see we have got some error. It's saying we will need to update the WSL. Okay, no problem. We'll just copy this one. Quick, Windows R CMD, right click, enter. Click on yes. Just wait for installation. Let's see how much time it will be. 5% is now, okay? So if in your case it shows log out, then you do log out. But again, this try to this to restart your PC. Okay, otherwise it will show like Docker stop. First wait for the installation. Currently said it's done. So it's installing 54. Just wait, guys. Till then, I just pause the video. Okay, so here you can see, Windows subsystem volumes has been installed. It's swing. Now just close this one again. Click on Docker Desktop. Just wait, and here you can see Docker Desktop and it's starting. Okay. Just wait. So it means we have successfully installed the Docker actually. And from where you can search for different images, like which we were talking about the images in the previous videos. So we can use the images for which other developers have created. Okay. So you can see to try running the Docker, copy and paste this command into a terminal and then come back. Okay, we'll need to do this one, all those things, and the images, volumes, everything you will get there. Okay. So today we will just stop here. The installation is successful. Now in our next video we will learn about how we can create images, all those things. Okay, so that's it for today's guys, and I hope you like this video. If you have any queries or you face any problem, just tell us in the comment section. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.